Query number 36, wherein a parent is asking that what all, how can I introduce games to my child which others play in the park, and right now my child is playing with her, with his younger one who is 3 years old. So I would say that you already have a golden opportunity because you have another sibling for your child who can play easily with your child at home itself. So you're already doing hide and seek. That is a great thing. And now you can add more games to it, like catching, blindfold game, and catching and throwing ball, like that. Any game you can, like whatever your 3 year old likes and is comfortable, you can play those game with the elder one also. For games, especially for playing na, there is no kind of age limit, like this game should be played by this age kid. There is nothing like that. Playing is for having fun. Okay, playing is for relaxing for the child. Playing is like a very casual thing for the child. So you don't have to worry which game to play, or which one will be suitable. You have to just observe what they enjoy the most doing together, and you have to just give them time to enjoy that. And if you feel that your elder one is not understanding the how the younger one is saying, what younger one is talking, then help him process it. Explain him in easy words, use small sentences. Okay, this way your the older one will understand what the younger one is saying. So you become a mediator and you also participate with them, so that it becomes easy for him to understand. And plus now, what about others outside the house? If you want to introduce, then again you have to observe what they are playing, like what they are interested in. Then you can, at home you can play the same games with your both the kids, whatever games other kids are playing. So that in that way your child will be more happy to participate and give a lot of time. Now you are practicing at home, right? I mean to say, daily both of your children are playing together. So now your child is slowly getting trained how to play. So now that will get applied outside also, but it will take time. There is lot of playing behind it to reach that stage that he is able to participate by himself when they are playing outside. If you feel that is not happening, then you also play with your children. Because if you saw my messages, I specially posted them for you on the Telegram group. If you check, I have mentioned how I started playing, how I am playing now. I have mentioned everything. So read those messages in the Telegram. You will get lot of ideas, more ideas. And if you keep following this channel and group, then you will get lot of messages, previous messages, wherein we have discussed about what all games can be played. So also check those. It will help you get ideas. All the best.